Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Typeform account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Analytics to a Typeform or to one specific form in your Typeform account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to connect your Google Analytics to one of your Typeforms anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track your users, even if it's not to your website. And with Typeform, you can go ahead and implement code into each and every form. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Typeform account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. One thing I want to let you know before you go any further is this is a paid service. So I'm working in my free test account from Typeform. So if you want to add your Google Analytics into your Typeform, you do need to have a paid service, but I'm going to show you where you can find that. So I've already signed into my Typeform account. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add your Google Analytics code into your form, it's not going to be on the account level. It's going to be on each and every form that you can implement this. So that way all your data is separated. So first thing you're going to do is go ahead and click on forms here on the top left. Once you've done that, go ahead and look for the Typeform that you want to add Google Analytics to. So for example, this one, there's actually two different ways you can do this. So the first way is once you found the Typeform right here, off to the right, you're going to see these three dots. Click on there and you'll see a drop down and you want to click on connect. The other way you can do this is you can go ahead and just open up the Typeform. Right. Once the Typeform is opened, you're going to see these 5 buttons up here towards the top up here. Now make sure right here on the top left that you're working in the correct Typeform, and then you're going to click on connect. Either way you do it, it's going to bring you to the same place. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you to the integrations for this one Typeform. Again, this is not on the account level. And all you're going to do is scroll down until you see Google Analytics right here. If you don't see this for some reason, don't worry. You can click right here and search, and then search for Google Analytics. And then you're going to go ahead and click on connect. Okay, as you can see, this is a paid plan feature. So you do need to upgrade in order to add your Google Analytics. Once you do that, you will be asked to sign into your Google and give permission to Typeform to access your Google Analytics. Also, another thing I want to note is that once you add this Google Analytics code, it's going to be just for this one Typeform here on the top left. So if you want to implement it onto another form, you're going to have to go back in and do the same process. And that's so you can keep the data separate from your different Typeforms. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Analytics to your Typeform, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.